Hi, fashion lovers. Did you know that the average person only wears 20% of their wardrobe regularly? Imagine transforming your closet into a functional, stylish space that makes getting dressed the best part of your day. Stay tuned because today we are diving into innovative wardrobe design ideas that will revolutionize the way you think about your clothes. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button for the latest in fashion tips, home decor, and lifestyle hacks. Today, we are all about creating a wardrobe that not only looks amazing but also works for you. From space saving hacks to personalized style tips, we have got it all covered. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about maximizing your space. Whether you have a walk in closet or just a small wardrobe, these tips will help you make the most of every inch. Switch to slim velvet hangers to save space and keep your clothes from slipping off. And do not forget about the power of vertical space. Use stickable boxes or hanging organizers to store accessories, shoes, and even off season clothes. But what if I told you these a way to make your closet look even more stylish? Let's talk about adding a personal touch. Your wardrobe should reflect your personal style. One way to do this is incorporating open shelves for your favorite pieces. Display those stunning shoes or that statements handbag like the pieces of art they are. And here's a pro tip: color shade your clothes. Not only does it look visually pleasing, but it also make it easier to find and what you are looking for. What's your favorite way to personalize your wardrobe? Drop a comment below. I have loved to hear your ideas. Now let's tackle a common problem: keeping your wardrobe clutter free. A cluttered wardrobe can be overwhelming, but decluttering does not have to be a daunting task. Start by categorizing your clothes into keep, donate, and toss piles. Ask yourself, have I worn this in the last year? If the answer is no, it's probably time to let it go. Keep your essentials within reach and consider seasonal rotations to keep your wardrobe meaning manageable. Trust me, a clean, organized closet can make a huge difference in your daily routine. And there you have it, some simple yet effective wardrobe design ideas that can transform your closet into a stylish, functional spaces. Remember, a well organized wardrobe can save your time and stress, and even inspire you to try new looks. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might need a wardrobe makeover. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. And stay tuned for next video where we will be diving into the hottest summer fashion trends. Thanks for watching and happy organizing. Bye.